So 2 minutes will be equal to how many seconds, beta? 2 minutes will be equal to what? How many seconds? 2 minutes will be equal to 120 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 2 minutes will be equal to how many seconds, beta? 120 seconds. Okay, 120 plus 10. Total how many seconds are coming? 130 seconds. Understood? So now 130 seconds are there. So since 130 seconds are there, now again the boy is returning. Okay, this time the boy is covering, what is the distance the boy is covering? This time the boy is covering a distance of 200 meters. This time what is the distance covered by the boy? 200 meters. So 200 meters the boy is covering the distance. Okay. Hi, beta. Now, am I audible now? Okay. Now look here. Come here. Sam, bend and go. Yes. So now listen. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, beta. So going time, see, from going from one location to another location, the boy is exactly covering a distance of 500 meters. Time taken is 2 minutes 10 seconds. So total converting in second is 130 seconds. Understood? Now the boy is returning and he did not return total 500 meters. How much he returned is 200 meters. So when he is returning 200 meters, now look at it, time taken is 60 seconds because 1 minute only. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Now what is the question asked to you? Find his average speed and magnitude of average velocity during the whole journey. Understood? So first we will find the average speed. Just tell me, so start solving, what is the average speed? We know average speed formula is what? Come on, note down. Average speed is equal to total distance covered. What is the total distance? Yes, total distance covered. Very good. Total distance covered by total time taken. Total distance covered by total time taken. So here total distance covered. So what is the total distance covered here? Total distance covered is how much, beta? 190. 190 is the total distance. So total distance is how much? 500 plus 200. So total distance is how much, beta? 500 plus 200. And total time is 130 plus 60. So how much it is coming? 700 by 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. 190. So 90, 70 by 90 meter per second. This is what? Average speed. What is the formula for average speed? The formula for, Bhavya, inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Okay, beta? See, average speed is exactly total distance by total time taken. So total distance covered is what, beta? Total distance covered here is distance 1 plus distance 2. Total time taken is time 1 plus time 2. One time going, another time returning. So finding average speed was very easy. Note down please. But after that, what they are asking, magnitude of average velocity. Second part question is magnitude of average velocity. Come on, first note down till here. Second time it is written as magnitude of average velocity. This we need to check very particularly. Please kindly go for it. Note down, beta. Note down the content that what is exactly it is coming from. It is exactly taking as total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. Come on, go for it, please. The first part note down. Question you need not to write. Only this part you need to write because question will be there in your group, beta. You will be getting the question in your group. The content answer only you write. Okay, just write problem number 1. Live class, just put the date and just don't write question, just write the answers. Okay, how we have solved the answer that you note down. Then you are Shri, both of you, beta. What is your name? Huh? Smita and Shweta. Okay. Come on, go for it. Smita and Shweta, note down. Arunisha, are you there in the group? Arunisha, Bhavya, Shanvi, Chahel, come on, give me a hi. Come on, go for it, beta. So this is called as average speed. You got it? You noted, beta? This is exactly called as average speed, beta. So average speed we have found. Now next part of the question is what? Average speed is total distance covered by total time taken. What is the average speed? Total distance covered by total time taken. That is considered as average speed. What is the average speed, beta? Total distance covered by total time taken. Now they are asking average speed and magnitude of average velocity. See, understand one thing. When they will be asking magnitude of average velocity, means now they are asking velocity. What they are asking? Velocity. And because in velocity, we are dealing with displacement. Understood? Average speed means distance by time. Total distance by time. But average velocity means displacement by time. What is average velocity? Total displacement. Displacement by time. Understood? Beta, what is the meaning of displacement? Where? Now I am just removing this one. Can I remove this part? Understood this section now, beta? So now understand this section. Now you need to understand the second part. That is, they are asking that magnitude of average velocity. Magnitude of average velocity. Magnitude of average velocity. Amrish, how can we write magnitude of average velocity, beta? Just understand this one. Magnitude of average velocity is displacement. What it is, beta? Displacement by time taken. So displacement by time taken. Beta, displacement is what? Shortest distance. What is displacement? Shortest distance. So displacement is shortest distance. So when displacement, anybody will ask you what actually you are going to do. What? Because this is 500. See, going time how much distance? 500. Returning time how much distance? 200. But what is displacement? Displacement is shortest distance between final minus initial. Understood? Initial point. Final minus initial point. Again I repeat, shortest distance between final point and initial point. Now beta, what is your final point? Final point distance covering is 500. Return you did 200. So how much? 500 minus 200. So this time displacement will become how much? 500 minus 200. Now beta, time taken. Time is the real catch here. But beta, how much is the displacement? But time traveled is 190 seconds. So time you are going to write 190 only. Did you got my point? Because with a going time, how much time taken? 130 seconds. Returning time, how much time taken? 60 seconds. So total time taken is 190 seconds. Maybe it is displacement, but here the total time taken is exactly how much, beta? The total time taken is 190 seconds. Come on, repeat with me. How much the total time taken? 190 seconds. So since the total time taken is 190 seconds, we will be writing the total time as 190 seconds. Understood very clearly? So what is the magnitude? Magnitude of average velocity is displacement by time. What it is? Displacement by time. And displacement is shortest distance between initial point and final point. Shortest distance between initial point and final point. And what we are actually getting here is 300 by 190. Cancel. So 30 by 90 meter per second. That's the end of the question. And actually, beta, can anybody tell me what is the final direction right now? Where is the final direction the person is moving now? East or west? West. West. Going east, returning west. Because opposite of east is west direction. So magnitude, the final overall answer, absolutely correct, Devrakshita. Beta, can you type your name? Deva's sister, na? Can you type your name, beta? What is your name? Now look here. So I hope it is crystal clear to you how to get, beta. Going time, which direction?
Yes.
Returning time?
Yes.
So whatever answer will come meter per second due which direction? Which is the direction? Due west. Which direction the person is heading? Due west. So that is the direction. The direction is due west. I hope my children understood it very nicely. Correct, na beta? So average velocity is displacement by time. Come on, go for it. We'll go for next question after this. Tanisha. Okay, Tanisha? Finished? Note down, beta. Note down. The direction is west direction. Don't worry about physics, numericals and all. We will do it with much ease. We'll try to understand the content nicely. One by one, we will do everything. Relax. Okay? This one you understood nicely? Now, beta, we'll go for the next part. Are you ready for the next section question? Next set of question. Are you ready? Come on. We'll go for it. Ready? So now the next question is, come on, go for this question. Don't write the question, try to solve the question. Understood? If you have understood, just say yes, auntie, understood. After that, we'll go for the next question. On a 120-kilometer track, a train travels first 30 kilometers with a uniform speed of 30 kilometers per hour. How fast must you see CBSE 2011-2013? How many times this question has come is 2011 and 2013. How fast must the train travel the next 90 kilometers so that the average speed has to be 60 kilometers per hour for the entire trip? Come on, start doing it. Try this question. Try and understand the question. First, we will break it into 2 points. Okay. Time we have to find out because they're asking that how much time. What is the question there is? They're asking that how fast must the train travel the next 90 kilometers so as the average speed has to be 60 kilometers per hour. First, beta, we will try to understand what is given in the question. In the question, if we are seeing a total journey of how much kilometers? 120 kilometers. The total journey is for how much kilometers? 120 kilometers. So this is 120 kilometer journey. So total distance to be covered. Total distance to be covered is how much, beta? 120 kilometers. But they are only asking about 30 kilometers. First, how much kilometers? 30 kilometers. So we are going to mark a point for 30 kilometers. So let this point be A and this point be B. So distance is exactly how much, beta? 30 kilometers. Understood? And this 30 kilometer distance is covered with a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Correct? So the total distance is how much? 120. Total distance is how much? 20. Just imagine I am the person who is driving the train. Imagine, not possible. Okay, so how much distance we have to cover? We have to cover a distance of 120 kilometers. Okay, so I am driving with a distance of how much? With a speed of how much? First speed is 30 kilometers per hour. Understood? I will take it to 30 kilometers. That's a miracle. Understood? So come on. So here, that means first A to B. A to B location is how much distance, beta? 30 kilometers. Remaining how much distance left? So B to C, how much distance left? 90 kilometers. 90 kilometers. So this journey is the most important point. We need to know that what should be the speed. What we need to know there is what is the speed of this part of journey. Understood? So now let's check this one out. Okay. So total distance to be covered is how much, beta? 120 kilometers. but this distance is covered. So distance d1 is given as 30 kilometer, and speed for distance covered is, and this is what with a uniform. Having what motion? Uniform motion means equal distance covered in equal interval of time. What is the meaning of uniform? Equal distance covered with equal interval of time. Understood? So this is the first checkpoint. Now we have to find time. What is the definition? Speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So let's see what distance covered. 30 kilometer. How much speed? 30 kilometer per hour and here kilometer. So kilometer cancel. How much it is exactly covering is 1 hour. So in 1 hour, the train is exactly moving from A to B. Who and all are present live? Can you inform please? Yes. Hello Madhu. How are you beta? So here it is exactly coming. Time is exactly first A to B. What is the time covered beta? The time taken is 1 hour. Distance covered is 30 kilometer. Distance covered is how much beta? 30 kilometer. So that's the first part. Now we will go to the second part. Quickly write the first part beta. Quickly write the first part so that we will do the second part. Come on. We need to check here one very important point, Kamita. They are telling that you need to increase the speed. You need to increase the speed for the total. The remaining time is there now. First, you need to find out the time, and in the remaining time, you need to increase the speed. Okay. So that's the second. See, the first part of the question is not the main catch. The main catch is the second part of the question. The second part of the question is really going to create problem if you will not understand. So note down. Second part is the real catch beta. Second part only you need to do very nicely. So second part, what they are telling, how fast must the train travel the next 90 kilometers? So remaining distance is what? What is the remaining distance beta? 90 kilometers. Very good. So remaining distance is 90 kilometers. Okay. But beta time we don't know now. Yes. 3 by 2 hours for second part of the question. Wow, nice. 3 by 2 hours. Let's check this one out, beta. Tanisha, we'll check this one out, beta. We'll check this one out. Okay. Now let's check this part is remaining distance is 90. But what the question has been given to you is the next kilometer. So as the average speed is given as 60 kilometer per hour. This is the real catch. Here it is given, the speed given to you is how much? What is the speed given to you? Average speed. It is average speed. It is not the speed. It is average speed. Average velocity given to you is not how much? That is velocity, average velocity. What is the average velocity given to you? 60 kilometer per hour. How much is the average velocity, beta? 60 kilometer per hour. So write the formula for finding the time. Right? Total time is equal to total time t. We'll write total time t equal to. Right now, what we are going to do is, child, are you there in the group, please? So total time t is equal to total length of track. Total length of track by total length of track by average speed. What is the total length of track? 120. Because they are given average velocity. And what is the average speed given, beta? 60. So now how much time it is taking is? 2 hours. How much time taking is? Bingo. We got one very important clue. Did you notice one thing? First half journey, how much time you took? 1 hour. Already 1 hour gone. So how much is the remaining time left? Total journey, see average speed. First to understand very nicely. This is the average speed. Average speed is total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. From total distance, exactly, this is the average velocity. Average speed given is 60 km per hour. Since the motion is uniform, so equal distance will be covered in equal interval of time. So first journey part was equal distance in equal interval of time done. Now beta here, total time taken. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Just now in the previous question we did now. What is average speed formula? Can you say beta average speed formula is? Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. So beta can I shift total time here? So if total time is here, total time is this side, then beta total distance by average speed. And what is the average speed given to you beta? 60 km per hour. So here 60 km written down. Here total time I written. So total time is equal to total distance. What is total distance? 120. How much total time taken beta? But first half A to B time taken is 1 hour. Going from A to B, time taken 1 hour. So how many hours left? Total is 2 hours. Total is what beta? 2 hours. Think very nicely. Okay, because you are solving, you should be very clear for your concept. Total time taken for the entire journey to cover a distance of 120 kilometer. How much time actually you are taking beta? 2 hours. So A to B already you took 1 hour. How much time left? 1 hour left. Now, so 1 hour is the time left. So to go B to C, we have how much hours? 1 hour. We have only 1 hour. Then what speed we should maintain? What speed we should maintain so that we can cover B to C distance in 1 hour? Come on, just formula. Yeah. Speed is equal to distance by time. So speed is equal to distance by time. That's very correct beta. So speed is equal to when distance by time is written to you. Can you write one small thing there? Tell me, what is the distance left? 90 kilometer. How much hour you have? What should be the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is? Time is? Time is 1 hour. So what should be the speed? 90 kilometer per hour. That's it. See, how much you have to cover again? Take it again. B to C. You have only 1 hour to cover. So it's exactly from your school to your destination point, and they are actually going to, yes, absolutely correct beta. That's the true answer is 90 kilometer per hour. Why? Because this time you need not to, it's just given to you now. So distance given to you is, what is the distance now? Distance left to cover is 90 kilometer. Time you have is 1 hour. So what should be the speed? Distance by time. 90 by 1. So it will become 90 kilometer per hour. Bingo. We have to go with the speed of 90 kilometer per hour. That's it. Note down. So the question is very clear. One more time, I am going to clear your doubt. Wherever it is, this problem is there, I will explain it one more time. Don't worry. Yes, it's absolutely correct. "90 kilometer per hour." Both of you are correct only. Absolutely correct. Understood. That was really a small, short of journey where you might have exactly experienced some troublesome part. Did you understood here? Yes, fine. Kanish, you understood? First half, how much distance? 30. Time, but average, full average speed was given. So with the help of average speed, we took out the remaining time, total time. Total time was 2 hours. That means remaining time left is only 1 hour. And we have to cover a distance of how much distance? Only 90 kilometers. So what should be the speed we should maintain is 90 kilometer per hour. That's good, Beta. Shall we go for the next question? Please note it now. We noted everything. We'll go for the next question. Come on, this is a very good question. Come on, go for it. Try the question, Beta. Yep. We need to draw. Draw speed time graph by choosing a convenient scale determined from it. This is really this type of question only I want you to encounter, because in exams they will be giving you these type of questions. Okay? So we must first draw. So are you ready to draw, beta? Okay. First you just draw this scale. Write this scale and try to draw. Let's see how many of you are drawing it correct. Go for it. Draw. Try to draw. Child, are you there in the group? Come on, go for it. So we'll do one work. We'll draw graph. I'm drawing this side for my convenience. I'll draw here this. Okay, speed is exactly given. So speed I'm going to do here. Speed in unit meter per second. Up. Time beta. Time in what beta? Seconds given. Time in Shweta, what is the time given beta? Seconds. And beta, what is the second gap given? 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Shall we maintain the same one? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Super. That's correct only. Now after that, what we are going to do, beta? We are going to put that part. We are going to write speed as 5, 10. So we'll take the gap of speed as 5, 10, 15, 20. Then after beta 25, 30 and 35. Done. Now beta, when speed is 5, when time is 0. So from where we are going to start, bacha? Tell me. We are going to start from here now. Correct? Now go for it. After that, this point we are going to allocate it as 8. Then, now beta, time is 10, speed is 10. This one. So shall we do? Then next one, beta. Come on, do it. This is B point. After that, which one, beta? 20. It is coming 50. It is coming 50. Then 30, it is coming 20. This is 5, it is 0. 10, it is 10. 15, it is 20. 20, it is 30. After 25, it is 40. Okay. And then 30 is 50. 30 is 50. Let's locate the point. So here this point will be considered as A, B, this point, C, D, E and F. Done. Drawing over. We'll draw the dotted lines. Done. Note down first with it. So this we are going to join. This point will be considered as G. This point will be, we are going to take it as h. So done everything. Once we have done this part, now get ready, beta. Get ready for the questions. So first they are asking that and determine it. First question I am giving you acceleration of the car. The first question here is find the acceleration of the car. Come on, find the acceleration of the car. First question I have given is, this drawing is done, but we should solve some question now. So after drawing that graph, first question I am giving to you is, find the acceleration of the graph. Find the acceleration of the graph. Children, try to solve this one. Find the acceleration of the car. Come on, do it. Find the acceleration of the car. What should be the acceleration of the car? What should be the acceleration of the car? Very good. The acceleration is coming as 5. Check one time later. Acceleration is slope of EF. We know now here AF is the slope. So slope of AF will give you. So acceleration formula is what? One answer bit I'll give you. One answer I got is 5 meter per second square. One child is given the answer as, can you name beta? Can you type your name? 5 meter per second. Acceleration unit is not per second. First thing is acceleration unit is per second square. Okay, let's type that correctly. But 5 meter per second square, you need to check one more time, please. Check one thing. Now look at it. First thing is check one small thing. Acceleration of the car is what? Slope of AF. Slope of AF is acceleration. Okay, beta. Okay, Gokul. Can I call you Gokul? So now look at it. Acceleration of the car is what, beta? Acceleration of the car is slope of AF. Slope of AF. Now, beta, slope of AF means what? Slope of line AF. That is speed time graph. Na? This is the speed time graph. So slope of line AF is exactly going to give the acceleration. Note down this one. Slope of line AF. So slope of line AF will be what? We are going to write, this is what? AG and this is FG. This is AG by FG. So what we are going to write? FG by AG. Note down FG by AG. Come on, beta. Try this one. Little bit change is needed, beta. You are absolutely correct. Just little bit change you will be getting the answer. Seriously. Write down. What is the speed at point F? Huh? See, listen. FG is what? FG, we are going to first talk about FG. What is FG? See, total FG can be written as total FH. So, if somebody will ask me what is FG, I will check first what is total FH. FH is equal to FG. Check it out. Just see this one. FG plus GH. Correct, no? So total is equal to FG plus GH. FG plus GH will give you what? FH. Done. Now, beta, FH is total how much, beta? FH is total 30. Okay. FG we have to find. And what is GH, beta? GH is 5. You check parallelly. Shweta, try to see this one, beta. First you check parallelly. You check this one. Beta, this is what? 5. And this is what, beta? 30. Understood? So 30 minus 5 will become how much? Very good. So here, so FG will be equal to 30 minus 5. FG will be 30 minus 5. So FG will be coming as how much? 25. FG is coming how much? 25. So now we got one thing, we got FG. Now we need to find AG. What is total AG? 50. Total AG is what we have seen now. Time starting. What is the starting time? 0. And what is the ending time? 50 seconds. So AG is 50 seconds. AG is how much, beta? AG is equal to 50 seconds. Now what is our answer is, beta? 25 by 50 meter per second by second. So it is coming as 25 1 by 2 meter per second square. That is 0.5 meter per second square. Did you got it clearly, beta? Did you got it clearly? Come on, check this one out. It is 0.5 meter per second square. Slope only, beta. Acceleration means what? Acceleration is slope of, that is speed time graph. Understood, beta? It is speed time graph. So when somebody will be asking you, you just go for speed time graph. And speed time graph, when you are checking, acceleration means slope. The clear concept. You don't go here and there. Whenever graph you are seeing, it is an ascending graph, increasing graph, correct now? So slope means what, beta? Slope, gradient part, whatever you will be checking. Acceleration means what? This by this. Understood? So this is what? Fg, total this much we need, and this, because the main gradation start from 0.5. So speed was exactly, starting speed is 5. Starting speed is what? 5. I hope you might have understood. Is it crystal clear till here? Come on, say children. Till here, is it crystal clear? That yes, auntie, I understood. That we have to start from 5 point and we have to go like this. I'm just moving so that you can see the screen. I hope Bhavya understood, beta. Thank you so much, Bhavya. Understood. Very good. Tanisha understood. Okay. Arushi understood. Super, beta. Very good. Now, next part of the question I'm asking from you. Can I ask the next part of the question from you? The next part of the question is find the distance traveled by the car in 50 seconds. This part written, beta. Is it tough? Acceleration means slow. Acceleration means slow. She's asking me. I hope you might have understood. So this part is clear. So this part is clear. So second part question is what I am going to ask from you is, can I do this part again, please? Wait, I need to go back to the class. So this question is done. We'll go for the next question. Ready? So next part question I'm going to ask from you. Are you ready? Go for this question because this is exactly one of a very good question. In this first you need to draw and after that you need to find the part. Come on, go for it please. Come on, go for it please. Solve the question. A cyclist is cycling at a uniform velocity of 8 meters per second for 8 seconds. He then stops paddling and the cycle comes to rest in next 10 seconds. Draw the velocity time graph and calculate average retardation. Come on, go for it, please. Everyone draw it first. Let's see draw how you are drawing. Let's see how many of you are drawing it. Come on, go for it, beta. First going and then returning. Shall we start? Can I draw? No, it's not true. It's not correct. It's not correct. Do it again. First, give a gap. It is asking time, so here time will be there in seconds. Then next bit of what they are asking, a cyclist is cycling at a uniform velocity. So velocity is given. So velocity is meter per second. Velocity is meter per second. Velocity is meter per second. Now can you make the gap? Come on, go for the gaps, please. Do it. Write it. You can't see question. Wait, I'll move it a bit down. Now, are you able to see the question now? Check this one out. Start. Velocity is better. We will keep a gap of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Correct? Velocity beta. What is the formula of velocity beta? Can you say velocity formula is meter? So unit is meter per second. And time is exactly how much time we are going to take? In second we are going to write time. Time in seconds. So we will take a gap of time also. We'll take a time of gap of time also. Note down this one. Time we will take gaps of 8 seconds they are writing. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. And then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, whatever is there. Okay. So you just write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finish. Shall we check with the next part? Ready? Now, shall we start the question first? The first part of the question, what they are asking, that the average retardation. Average retardation. Come on, see. First, though, a cyclist is cycling at a uniform velocity. Uniform velocity till 8 seconds. So, beta, if we are going for uniform velocity till 8 seconds, that means this is the 8th second. Equal distance traveled in equal time taken. Till 8 seconds it went like this. And then it is exactly remaining 10 seconds. 10 seconds means I am going to extend this one. 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 it will go like this. Understood? This is retardation because the cycle has to stop. Retardation means the cycle has to stop. So once it is retardation is there means it will go down. This is considered as what beta? Retardation. So till here done. Note down. Draw it. Retardation slope will be what beta? Where is retardation slope? Can I name it as A, B, C? This is A point, this is B point, this is C point, this is D point, and this point is considered as E. Well, where is retardation? First tell me. Children, can anybody tell me where is retardation? Come on. Tanisha. Gopalram, anyone? Where is retardation? Can you tell me where is retardation? Which one is retardation? A to B is retardation or B to C is retardation? Absolute. Very good. So average retardation is average retardation is BC. Understood? So beta average retardation is where the cycle is exactly going to stop after some time. So slope of BC we will take. And what is the formula for slope of BC? Again what we have to take? BD by DC. Again what we have to take? BD by DC. No doubt. BD by DC, it is coming as BD by DC. What is BD, beta? BD is total 8. What is DC? 8 to 10, 8 to 18. 8 to 18 is 10. This much distance is how much? Here to here is 8. Here to here is 18. So what is BD? 18 minus 8. So how much seconds? 10 seconds. Correct, na beta? Total is coming as 18. This much is 8. Then what is the remaining part? 10. Understood? So this is 8 by 10. How much it is coming? 0.8 meter per second square. First question over. Distance covered with uniform velocity. Come on, go for it. What is the distance covered with uniform velocity? Very good, beta. Absolutely correct. 8 by 10. That is 0.8. That's correct only. 8 by 10. That is 0.8. Second part of the question. This is first question. Note down, Sweta. Beta, name again. I forgot. Sneha. Smita. First part understood, na beta? Retardation is slope only. And slope means this by this. Okay. Distance is area under the graph. Area under speed time graph is distance. Distance means what? Area under speed time or velocity time graph is distance. Let's see. B, they are asking distance covered with uniform velocity. B, what they are asking? Distance traveled with uniform velocity. So when distance traveled with uniform velocity, they will ask. Actually, they are asking here is, what they are asking? Right. Distance travel, na? Distance traveled with uniform velocity means area under the graph. What is exactly the area here? Can you tell me? One is this one and one is this one. So you have one rectangle and one triangle. So area under both of them, that will be the answer. Area under both of them will become the answer. Come on, go for it, please. So distance covered with uniform velocity. Distance covered with uniform velocity will be what, beta? That is area of which area? A, B, C, D, E. That is area of A, B, C, E. We can write directly. That means two figures are there. What are the two figures? This one and this one. So area of this one and area of this one. So area of this is AB into BD. So area of ABDE, area of ABDE plus area of BCD. Now come on, we can do it now. Area of this is AB into BD. What this is? AB into BD plus area of BCD is half BD into DC. Come on, both only value we have to find. Total distance here is what? 8. This much distance is 8. So 8 into 8. Can I write here? That part will become 8 into 8 plus half base into height. Half base into height. That is AB and this section BC is how much? 10. So 8 into 10. Come on children, tell me the answer. 64 plus 40. How much it is coming? 40 only, no? 4 10s are 40, 8 8s are 64. So total much? 104 kilometer or meter per second? Distance is only meter. So 104 meter. I hope you might have understood. Come on, tell me. Yes, absolutely correct. Yes, absolutely correct. Answer is absolutely correct. Go for it. Next question, please say. Next part, say. I found the total distance. In question, it is written as distance covered with uniform velocity. Okay. So if they will ask distance covered with uniform velocity means only this much is needed. I found total distance covered. Oh, uniform velocity means only this much section will be there. Uniform velocity. I found total distance. Total distance covered is this much, 104. So distance covered with uniform velocity. That is the total distance covered, children. So if somebody will be asking you distance covered with uniform velocity. Distance covered with uniform velocity, that movement, what you are going to do is, you will only find area ABDE. That part will become AB into BD. That is 8 into 8, that time it will become 64 meter. Uniform velocity, because one part is retardation. You must understand that retardation section is there. What is the meaning of retardation section? Means where the acceleration is exactly getting converted into deceleration. The body is going to rest. Okay. Now third one, distance covered with variable velocity. Come on boss. We can say now, which one is distance covered with variable velocity? We found total distance. In that total distance, this one is uniform velocity. Understood? So retardation is uniform or non-uniform? Retardation is uniform or non-uniform? Retardation means what? Retardation means we are going to stop it. Nah. The vehicle is going to stop. So that is not uniform. Nah. That is non-uniform. So the distance covered non-uniform with uniform, non-uniform velocity is how much? B, E and E. So distance covered with non-uniform velocities B, D, E. Distance covered with uniform velocities A, B, D, E. Crystal clear or not? Total distance is uniform, non-uniform. Uniform part is this one, non-uniform part is this one. And actually you have found it now. Come on, say. Actually, what is the distance? Non-uniform distance is what? Variable velocity is what? Variable velocity is this part. That is, variable velocity is area BBC. That is half 8 into 10. So how much it is coming? 40 meter. Total is 64 plus 40. 64 is uniform, 40 is non-uniform. Clear? Last part, average velocity of the cyclist. Come on, go for it. At least get that distance covered with variable is no. Distance covered with variable will not be that. Please rectify that. Tanisha, it's not that correct. You are wrong here. Distance traveled with uniform is 64, non-uniform is 40, total is 104. So only first I found total so that you can understand that uniform is 64 and non-uniform is 60. Come on. Tanisha, did you understood this one? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Either yes or say no. Did you got this point, Tanisha? Come on, last part is what? Average velocity. Average velocity formula, can anybody tell me what is average velocity formula? Total distance. Now here we are not returning back. We are not coming back. We are just going in one direction. So total average velocity is total distance by total time. What is the total distance? Come on, say. Total distance is what? Come on, say. Total distance is what? 64 plus 40. Total distance is what? 104. Already we have found total distance. And what is the total time taken, beta? Total time taken is 80. So here 104 by 80 meter per second. Done now. Total distance is what? Uniform distance 64, non-uniform distance 40. So total distance beta 64 plus 40, 104. Total time 18 seconds. 10 non-uniform, 8 uniform. Total 18. So divided by this. So just cancel 52, 9. That is 52 by 9 meter per second. That's it. End of the story. Tanisha understood here. Just come on say. Yeah, second part only was little bit problem for you. I hope understood. Okay, so I'm wrapping up the class, please. Next class. Okay, this material will be available to you. This video will be available to you in the group. Whenever you will be wishing, you can see this group, see this material again, and write the things. Okay, so one group has been created. In that group, you people are there, and this video will be available to you anytime, night, morning, day after tomorrow, or 1 month after. Whenever you wish to read it again, this video will be available to you. Is it okay for you? So in your group, in your coaching group, this video is available. Bye everyone. How was the class? Was it okay? Down.